Surveyors Udyog Vihar Gurgaon is a well-established surveying company located in the industrial hub of Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. With years of experience in the industry, Surveyors Udyog Vihar Gurgaon has built a reputation for delivering high-quality surveying services to its clients. The company offers a wide range of surveying services, including land surveys, topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. Their team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors is equipped with the latest surveying technology to ensure accurate and precise results. One of the key strengths of Surveyors Udyog Vihar Gurgaon is their expertise in Scon design. Scon design is a specialized area of surveying that focuses on the design and layout of roads, highways, and other transportation infrastructure. The team at Surveyors Udyog Vihar Gurgaon has extensive experience in conducting Scon design surveys and has successfully completed numerous projects in this field. They understand the importance of proper road design and take into consideration various factors such as traffic flow, safety regulations, and environmental impact when designing roads and highways. Surveyors Udyog Vihar Gurgaon takes pride in providing their clients with accurate and reliable surveying services. They understand that precise measurements and data are crucial for any construction or development project. By using advanced surveying equipment and techniques, they ensure that their clients receive accurate survey data that can be used for various purposes such as planning, design, and construction. Their team of surveyors is trained to handle complex surveying projects and is committed to delivering results that meet their clients' expectations. In addition to their expertise in Scon design, Surveyors Udyog Vihar Gurgaon also offers a wide range of other surveying services. Surveyors Udyog Vihar Gurgaon is a reputable surveying firm situated in Gurgaon's industrial center of Udyog Vihar. With years of experience in the field, Surveyors Udyog Vihar Gurgaon has established a reputation for providing clients with top-notch surveying services. In addition to land surveys, topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking, the company provides a wide range of surveying services. To ensure accurate and precise results, their team of highly qualified and experienced surveyors is outfitted with the most recent surveying technology. Expertise in Scon design is one of Surveyors Udyog Vihar Gurgaon's main advantages. The design and layout of roads, highways, and other forms of transportation infrastructure are the primary concerns of the specialist field of surveying known as Scon design. The staff at Surveyors Udyog Vihar Gurgaon has a wealth of knowledge doing Scon design surveys and has completed a large number of projects in this area effectively. When planning roads and highways, they are aware of the significance of appropriate road design and take into account a number of variables, including traffic flow, safety rules, and environmental impact. The surveying services that Surveyors Udyog Vihar Gurgaon offer to their clients are precise and trustworthy. They are aware of how important accurate measurements,